What's up guys, I'm Liam, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos using your smartphone. So for this example, I will be using my Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, which is an Android device, obviously. So yeah. Anyways, the first app you'll want to search up is Phonto. Now, by the way, this will work on both iOS and Android. Both of these apps. So you'll just want to install this app, and then you'll also want to install PicsArt. And yeah. Okay, so what you'll want to do next is open up your browser, and you'll want to search up 1920 by 1080. 1080 pictures. And you'll want to download one of these for your background picture. But for this instance, let's say I am making a thumbnail for a video on how to root Android devices. So I am going to look up 1920 by 1080 white. So I'll have a white background. And then I'll just download that. Okay, so since this is Android based, once again, I'm gonna search up Android phone. But for this step, you'll want to make sure you download a PNG file. That's crucial because you don't want some weird background, as in like a white background on a black picture type thing. It just becomes a disaster. So I'm going to download the first image I see here, since it is a black phone and I have a white background. And then I'll go back, and by the way, PNG means it does not have any border around it, which is a good thing because you can put it on any picture and around it will be the the actual picture or the other picture. So it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah. Next up, I'm going to search up Android logo PNG, and then I will have to download an Android logo PNG. So I'm going to download this one since it has the Android logo and it also says Android. And keep in mind, since this is a thumbnail, it does not have to be the best quality picture, since the thumbnail is going to be pretty small. So just keep that in mind once again. Now, since this is about rooting, I'm going to search up a lock PNG. And I'll just find one that's unlocked. Or you could search up unlock logo PNG. And I'll just download this one because that one seems pretty cool. And once again, it has to be a PNG so it'll match the background. And I'll get to that in a few. And you'll just want to save your other pictures. You can find more, you can find less. It doesn't matter how much you put. You just want to make sure they're PNG other than the background. So, yeah. Okay, so now that I have all of my images saved that I need, I'm going to want to open the PicsArt app. And then you'll want to wait till it loads, and then you'll want to click this little plus down here that's like expanding and whatnot, like, yeah, but yeah, then you want to click edit, and you'll want to choose your background photo. So I'm going to be choosing mine, and then click away from the stupid ad. And then wait till it loads, and there you go. Now, let me change this back to landscape mode real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just changed it back to landscape mode, and as you can see, we have our background photo. Now, you want to scroll down on this little menu that's moving right here, and click Add Photo. So I'm going to be adding the Android phone first, and then I'll just move this to the side And you can make it small, you can make it big, doesn't matter, you can move it all around. And yeah. So I'm just going to keep it like that. And then I'm going to click Add Photo once again. And now I'm going to click on the Android logo PNG. And I'm going to make that small and make it even smaller so that it will fit the screen. And as you can see, it is on the screen now. So now I'm going to click Add Photo once again and click on the unlock PNG that I downloaded. And then I will make that smaller and put it, let's say, oops, I messed up. Here, let me do that once again because I kind of messed up. I just made it like super long. So I am going to be putting it, let's say, I'll just put it on the body or whatever you freaking call it, because, you know, why not? It's kind of hard to move sometimes, but yeah. And I have really bad OCD. Okay, that's good for right now since this is an example, but yeah. So after that, if you don't have any more photos, just click on this arrow right here, and then just click Save and hit Save, and then it'll be saved, obviously. So, yeah. Okay, so after you've saved your image, you want to go into Phonto now, and then click this little icon up here, and then click Load Image from Device. It's different on iOS. You have a tiny bit more options on iOS than you do on Android, but, I mean, whatever. So, here's my image right here, and yeah, to add the writing, and this is why, or this is the app that you do add the writing on, you'll just want to click that. And I usually align it to the center, and let's just say, how to root Android devices. And then let's move that over there. You can also change how it looks by hitting Style. And this is a little coloring thing you can mess with, but I'm not going to mess with it. There's different colors. You just tap on one and it'll change the color, or you can change it with the little bars like the red, green, and blue bars and whatnot, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to change the size, which you can do, and I accidentally clicked out of it. Oh wait, that's way too small. Alright, now how am I going to do this? Let's just move it right here. You can also move it by this thingy, whatever it's called. But I am going to make this just like that. Oh. And yeah. So now I'm going to make that bigger. Whoa, that's way too big. And then I'll just put that right there. And ta-da! You have your text. You can also add more. So let's say I want to say easy. So let's just do easy. And then you could change the size. You could put it over here. Let's change the style to black. And then let's tilt it. Oh. And you could tilt it, and let's put it up here. So let me move it. And there you go. Now it says easy. So you can add more text than that. It's actually really easy. Just keep on clicking the pen. But that's all I'm going to do for this. So then once you're done with that, the final step is just to hit the icon right next to the little pencil icon that you use to write stuff, and that'll save it. Now once again, it's different on iOS. I can't really show that right now because I edit off of my phone, so I don't edit off of a computer. So keep that in mind. I cannot merge the crap or whatever it's called. But yeah. Anyways, that is pretty much it for how to create a thumbnail using your smartphone. So if you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below, and I might make a tutorial on how to create or how to use your thumbnails using a like any device like a smartphone and whatnot. So, and I mean, it's quite simple. I do it all the time. So, yeah. Anyways, once again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.